In this module, we will learn how to use selection controls, drop-down list, checkbox list, and radio button list to make your web forms dynamic and interactive. Selection controls help users choose options easily and ensure that your input data stays clean and consistent. The drop-down list control shows a single selectable list. You can fill it with static items or bind it from a database. This code binds your drop-down list with a SQL table. Each city name appears in the list and the value is stored using the city ID. When a user selects a city, the selected index changed event fires and you can display or use the selected value anywhere in your page. The checkbox list control lets users select multiple options. It's perfect for skills, interest, or any multiple choice list. To get selected values from a checkbox list, loop through its items and check which ones are selected. The radio button list control allows users to pick only one option from a group, like gender or membership type. You can easily retrieve the selected value from a radio button list using the selected item property. Your task: design a small registration form with the department, skills, and gender options. Display the user's selections using labels. In this module, you learned to use drop-down list, checkbox list, and radio button list controls, essential elements for creating interactive forms. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find these lessons helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. You can also explore more tutorials on my channel ASP NET SQL Academy. We also support charity work through this channel. If you wish to contribute, you can scan the UPI QR code shown on the screen or send your support to UPI ID. Your small help keeps these tutorials free, continuous, and growing. Thank you for learning with us, and thank you for supporting the mission. God bless you.